Okay, guys, it is another beautiful week, and we will be checking out what the market will be giving to us on all these assets, okay? So that we will know how we can go about our trading activities throughout this week, okay? So, guys, if you are looking for a way to make a successful trading activity throughout this week, I will advise you to watch this video to the end so that you will have a better understanding of what the market is going to be giving to us this week, okay, before you go fully into it. But before I go fully into it, guys, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family, okay? And of course, guys, if you have any personal question, you can also reach out to me on WhatsApp, or you drop your question within the comment section. I will be there to reply, okay? So let's go straight into what we have right here, one after the other, okay? So guys, if you remember, a few days ago, I dropped this particular signal on GainX 1200 in a Telegram channel. And of course, in case you are not within a Telegram channel, you guys are missing a lot, okay? Because there are free trading signals in a Telegram channel which you can pick up and make some good money for yourself. Okay, so quickly, this is GainX 1200. We actually saw this signal when this was switching from an uptrend to a downtrend right from this resistance. So those that are having this indicator, this particular indicator, will have picked up this signal right from here, even though we entered at this point in the Telegram channel, achieved the first TP, second TP, almost achieving the third TP before pulling back. You can see it is at the peak of achieving the third TP. That was when it's pulled back. So if you were using trailing, if you are trailing your profits with your stop loss, then you should make more profit right from there. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this actually switched from a downtrend to an uptrend at this point, and it's so it bought till it got to this region. Try to range, it ranged around there for a while, okay, and of course it's trying to see if it can go up. Naturally, I was actually hoping that whatever happens between here, okay, will determine what the markets will give to us next. Okay, if it breaks out above this, then definitely it means that it's going to buy more. Okay, and of course, if it breaks out below this, it shows that it's going to continue with the sell trend. Okay, but you can see it is already pushing out above this, so we expect it to get to this region first, to this region first, okay, and if it breaks out above it, then it should be getting to this spot, okay, and let's see if it will pull back right from there. But for now, it is still buying, okay, it is still buying. But if it comes down and of course breaks out below this, then it will sell more, and it's going to sell more than that because we expect it to get to this region if it sells. But if it does not, and of course it breaks out above this, then it will buy more at that point. Okay, so we should take note of that. Now let's check out GainX 999. For GainX 999, it's actually switched from an uptrend into a downtrend at this point. Okay, like I said, if you're having this trading tool, you will be able to meet up with all these entry points. Okay, so and of course give us the sell signal, and it's so till it got to this region. All these happen on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so you should know that the signal between here and here gave a lot of profits. Okay, that is about 63,275 points. Okay, so that's big enough. Okay, and of course because it got to this support region, it played around there, ranging around there for a while before switching from a downtrend to an uptrend, and of course it bought for a while also. Okay, like I said, if you're having this trading tool, it's another opportunity for you to buy right from there till this moment. Okay, this is for 3,675. So right now it's trying to go back into a downtrend, just because if you should notice right here, is a resistance region. Okay, so I didn't break out above it. Okay, so if it didn't break out above it, then it's going to sell more. And of course, we should be targeting this particular spot if it sells more. Okay, actually, it should be this region, but I love picking my profits, closing all my trade before it gets to the last part because anything can happen within that region. Okay, so it means this might be selling for a very long time, and if it breaks out below this, it still gets to this region. If it breaks out below this, because all these are free areas that you can actually make a lot of profits from. Okay, so all these are free areas that you can actually make a lot of profit from. This is where I expect it to get to. You can see it right there. So this is a big selling opportunity if it breaks out below this. Okay, so if you are having this indicator, I expect you to have placed your order around here. You place your order around there, put your stop loss somewhere here, a little bit above this. Okay, and of course you will be in profit any moment from now. Okay, so this is a beautiful trading opportunity right here for you. Okay, so this is GainX 999. Don't miss out on this. Don't dull yourself on it. Okay, the only way it will not sell if it breaks out above this, and it's going to buy more, and we'll be targeting this region at this point. But with what we are seeing right here, I feel it will sell and may likely get to this region. And if it breaks out from here, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so don't dull yourself on that. Okay, so this is Paynex 1200. For Paynex 1200, this is still very much on buy trend. Okay, as you can see, it just broke out from this particular ranging area, like I have explained to you. If it breaks out from the ranging area, it moves in that direction for a while. Okay, so that is it. So you can see it just broke out from here, and of course it is still buying at the moment because of the breakout. Okay, but right there at the top there is a resistance zone. Okay, if it breaks out above that resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. If it does not, then we are most likely to see the asset switching from an uptrend into a downtrend. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's check out Paynex 999. For Paynex 999, this has been on uptrend for a while, but after getting to this resistance zone, came down a bit and went back up, played around there before switching from an uptrend into a downtrend. And you can see it sold for a while, but was unable to break out below this particular support region. Okay, so played around there and of course went back up. Okay, so it is still buying at the moment. Let's see if it will be able to break out from here. Okay, if it breaks out above this, then it should be targeting at the top. Okay, and of course this is still buying just the way we are seeing it, even though we still expect it to go back on downtrend, because if it should get to this region, guys, if it breaks out from there and gets to this region, then and it's unable to break out from here, this might be giving us head and shoulder, and of course we expect it to sell at that particular point. And if it breaks out below this, then it's even going to sell more. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, now let's check out the final, the last asset for today. Okay, that is FX volume 80. FX volume 80 had actually been on downtrend for a while. Okay, it had been on downtrend for a while, got to this support zone at the pullback, came back down again to get there, still unable to break out from there. So it has switched from a downtrend to an uptrend again. So it is heading towards this. If it should break out above this particular spot, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. So watch out for this. We hope it gets to this particular spot. Okay, so you can see if you had come in at this spot where we had a change from a downtrend into an uptrend with your stop loss somewhere here and your entry point at this point, then this should be in profit right now, and you will just be looking at this particular region, and of course it will still give you more profit like that. Okay, So, guys, this is what we have for you guys today. So, we expect more buying opportunity from here, most especially once it breaks out from here. Okay, so, guys, this is all that we have for you on this particular platform. More information will be shared in the Telegram channel. So, if you are not there, kindly join the Telegram channel so that you can benefit more from it. And if you want this trading tool also, and all you just need to do is just to reach out to me on WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, and of course, guys, I will give you every necessary information on how you can get the trading tools. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. And of course, if you have any personal question, reach out to me on WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.